Did you know that yogic practices can change your genes and strengthen the immune system? A recent study by researchers from the University of Oslo in Norway found that yoga and Sudarshan Kriya can substantially change the genes in the body's immune cells. The research team led by Dr. Fari Satsioglu experimented with 10 subjects.
So in our study, we asked whether there are rapid effects of a comprehensive programmed diet from yoga on gene expression patterns in circulating immune cells. And the program that we used as an intervention in this study is taught by the International Art of Living Foundation worldwide and include yoga asanas, classical gentle hatha yoga postures, ujjayi breath and pranayam, and Bastrika, which is a forced rapid breathing exercise, and Sudarshan Kriya, which is a unique stress management and self-development program.
The participants practiced yoga and Sudarshan Kriya for 2 days, spending 2 hours moving through yoga postures, Sudarshan Kriya and meditation. For the next 2 days, they spent time in nature walks and listening to music. The researchers analyzed blood samples of participants.
A comprehensive yoga program gives rise to changes in gene expression patterns in circulating immune cells. You can easily see it in this Venn diagram where SKMP affected 111 genes, whereas the control regimen affected 38 genes. It's very remarkable that so many changes in gene expression occur in such a short period of time, the 2-hour period.
After practicing Sudarshan Kriya, I feel a lot stronger in my body. I used to faint from low blood pressure and there's no sign of that anymore.
I had a lot of problems with my health. Actually, I got cold very often and sometimes I have problems with my stomach. But after I start practicing Sudarshan Kriya, that these problems all gone, really. Now I am happy, healthy and strong.
Yogic practices have far more widespread impact, inducing health benefits through differential changes at the molecular level. If your yoga mat has been gathering dust, it's time to take it out and practice your Sudarshan Kriya. Sudarshan Kriya is a yogic practice that can be learned in the Art of Living Happiness program, offered in over 150 countries around the world.